Do I need to move out during the actual foundation repair project that you guys do? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today I have Garrett with me. Today's question that was posed to us is, do I need to move out during the actual foundation repair project that you guys do?
And the answer is absolutely not. Certainly it's a construction zone, so there'll be some dust, there'll be some noise, it'll sound like a construction zone. But all of the work we do is outside of the home, and you are welcome to stay there.
Thanks, Garrett. Yeah, it's definitely not going to be the quietest house in the neighborhood, but again, our projects only take 1 to 2 weeks, so we're trying to get in and out, not disrupt you, your neighbors, and try to make it as seamless and smooth as possible. So thanks, Garrett. And thank you for joining us with another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.